I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, I'm trying to do some more organization. I put up this 5S shelf over here so I could try and get rid of the clutter that I had around the vacuum cleaners. There's a lot of equipment that was just laid around loose. So I made brackets and pieces to put the different floor attachments on. Problem I'm running into is I have more attachments than I have spaces to put them. So I'm going to take some knockouts that I've got from an oak 2x4 when I was testing the hole saw, and I'm going to turn them down and make more mounts. It only takes a minute. I'm glad I had a steel cutting tool in there because evidently I took the hole saw right on through a nail. There, now let's stop getting knocked off on the floor. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.